Hi everyone, this is Kasha. I'm feeling artsy and today we're gonna draw a Yin Yang sign. To do this, you're gonna need a piece of paper, a small ruler, a pencil, and a compass. And then if you want to color your sign, you will also need something to color it with. I used markers over here. Actually, I used one marker. Okay, so let's begin. This one is 3 inches in diameter, and I'm gonna make the new one a little bigger. It's going to be 5 inches. So I'm gonna begin by drawing a straight line that's 5 inches long. Now, once I have my line, I'm gonna mark the top and the bottom part. And I'm also gonna find the middle, which for me is 2.5 inches. And once I found the middle, I'm gonna find the middles of the middles, so quarters. So for me, it's 1.25 inches. Then I have the middle, and then another 1.25 inches, which is here. And then you're gonna get your compass, and you want to put it right here in the center, in the middle of your line, and then stretch it out to whatever your distance is. For me, it's 2.5 inches. And I can test it out, make sure I'm in the center. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw my circle. Once you have your circle, you will go to your smaller middles and a half, and you're gonna make your compass match this space, which for me is 1.25 inches. And that should be right on the same line here on the outside and right in the center in the middle. And you're gonna do the same exact size in both of these, which will leave you with 2 new circles here. Then you're going to bring your compass a lot further in together, and you're going to draw the center circles, the little circles. And I'm not using any particular measurement for this. I'm just picking the size that I feel is good. And when you draw these, you want to be in the same exact spot that you were for these 2 middle circles. So one here, and the second one the same exact size in the same spot where I did the other circle. Okay, and that's it. That's how you draw it, and now all you have to do is color it and then erase the lines that you no longer need. I'm going to use a Sharpie, and then I'm gonna come in with an eraser, and you can use crayons, you can use markers, you can use colored pencils, you can even shadow it in with your pencil. So when you color it in, you want to make sure that there's parts like here that you will color in, and then you switch over to this part, and this piece will get erased and it'll stay white. I have actually tried putting my Sharpie and other markers and a pen into my compass because I felt like that would give me the perfect circle instead of this hand-drawn line, but I couldn't fit it in. Okay, my yin yang sign is done. Make sure to give me thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you soon.